Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Mudbug Mini Trucks coming at you today. Mr. Mudbug here. Got a brand new 2022 Hijet Jumbo. Man, talk about clean. This dude is just so clean. That black on black is just fine. Let's get it, dude. Now, we're going to just kind of start off right here on the front side. Now, you notice it's black paint. This is factory ordered. I didn't paint it like this. That is factory black. It is an upgrade when you're buying a Jumbo, because they typically come white, so it costs a little bit more to get that custom color, but it's a high gloss. I believe that's called black metallic. It is absolutely beautiful. And you'll notice we fit a big giant brush guard up front, rock solid. These things are rock solid. We custom make each one by hand right here in the shop. Excuse me, and it's matched perfectly with the headlights. This is a 2022, so a lot of great exciting things in this little truck. You'll notice you got that 4,500 pound Viper winch right there, rock solid. Got that trailer hitch receiver in case you want to pull trailer backwards, or maybe pull a jet ski out the garage or whatever. Maybe putting a feeder on the front. Down below, we got a full aluminum skid plate. I'm not going to get down on the ground because it's wet from the rain, but the skid plate runs from the front of the truck to the bell housing back there of the transmission. Just gives it an extra added protection. Just a really fine truck. Today we're going to be running a set of, man, again guys, I got so many wheels. I think I got 50 wheels on my website. I can't even name them all anymore. I don't even know if I even want to try. I got so many. But you're going to be looking at a set of Stingers. These are 23 10 12s, 14s rather. Just a great looking wheel, nice looking combo, good ride, giant footprint, just really nice. And you'll notice the gray spring in the rear. That's our progressive coil, and just gives the truck a fantastic ride. We'll just kind of scoot around too, just kind of look. Again, everything is just pitch black, and we love it. We dubbed the name Shadow for the truck. We try to put the name on the windshield. Unfortunately, there's cameras up there for the sensors, which essentially will set the cameras off, so we couldn't put the name on the windshield. I got to work a new design for that. But at any rate, here's the back bumper, trailer hitch receiver. Got a couple nice strong tie downs. These things we're making ourselves now. Super strong, really nice. Just a great, handsome truck. I know what you're thinking, Mr. Mudbug. I want one of these. How can I get one? You just got to go right here. MudbugMiniTrucks.com, 832-951-5220, or you can reach us on Instagram and Facebook and all the other social medias. You can also call 866-MUDBUGS, because you can reach us there. That's my office number. Now, you notice something here. I'm going to go ahead and open the door, but I want you to notice this is a keyless entry, I believe. Just press the button and it unlocks the door for you. Something about the little Jumbo which is really nice. Check it out. Power windows. And again, you can see it's absolutely mint condition and is brand new. Beautiful truck. I absolutely love the Hijet. It's a Toyota product, and I am just a die-hard Toyota fan, and I absolutely love these little trucks. I just feel like the engineering is super clean. I feel like they invest a little more money in the engineering. You can see like the chrome bezels and the fog lights, and of course, you know, you can see that nice chrome fixture going across the front. I just feel like Hijet puts a little more effort into making the little minis. That's just me. Other people may have different opinions. I guess Ford and Dodge all have their own opinions, but that's just mine. I'm a die-hard Toyota man. Again, driver's side, the control panel, you can see you have the power mirrors, and then of course you have the power windows for the left and right. And back here he has the cargo light, what was on I guess from the detail, and you'll see here is your in and out switch for the Viper winch up front. This is the brand new whole redesigned dashboard for the 2022 model. Absolutely beautiful. Love this thing. I'm going to go ahead and show you something else. As usual, all my trucks have AC heat. These are all four-wheel drive with a 5-speed. Has the high-low transfer case, which is right here. And if I'm not mistaken, it has the, right here, if I can get it without too much shadow, is the diff lock. Anti-collision parking assist, or parking alert, I guess. Just absolutely, absolutely really nice. And here's the push button, which is really cool for these trucks. They now come with a key fob, so no more keys. I guess they modernized it just like American cars. And again, you'll notice no factory installed radio. It's a couple $100, which is wasted because we can't catch their stations anyway. So whenever I order them, I just opt out on the radio and saves everyone a few bucks. Overhead, you'll notice we have what I like to call a pistol rack, where I would throw my pistol up here if I got my truck out of my deer lease. That's what I would do with my gun. Maybe you put binoculars up there. You want to stash a little pot way in the back where the cops can't find it. That's where you do it. Check it out, guys. I'm not saying I do that. I'm just letting y'all know that you could if you imagine someone could smoke pot somewhere. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead back out of here before I start drowning. Oh, I want to picture, notice two guys, cup holders right here. And I got two cup holders right in front of the stick there. Again, just really, really nice. This is such a great truck. I love the dashboard, everything about it. I'm just, I guess maybe I'm overthinking on this thing, but I absolutely love these Hijets. And notice even the little chrome bezels around the air condition. They just put that little touch that Suzuki just doesn't. And I guess that's why it costs about $2 grand more for this truck. Just the little touches that you don't get at Suzuki. Now I'm going to go ahead and pan around right quick, and I'm going to show you again. I got a bunch of service trucks. They're leaving here daily, but they're coming in as fast as I can get rid of them. But currently you're looking at right here about 16, 18 trucks. I got jumbos, I got super carries, I got brand new deck vans, I got used jumbos. I got a jumbo that just came in today. I don't even know where it's at. It's got 4,000 miles on it. I got scissor lifts, dump trucks, new, used, you name it. We got it. If you want it, we have it. If I ain't got it, I'll get it. Anyway, guys, star of the show today is Shadow. This is that black Hijet with the black wheels. Everything's black on it. Just stunning, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're not already watching us, hit the little bell icon, and that's going to let you know every time a video comes out. And again, guys, we got more videos coming out. I try to make a video for every truck that gets us some upgrades on it. Anyway, I'm going to leave you guys. I appreciate y'all watching, man, as usual. It's a beautiful day here in Texas. The rain's starting to evaporate, so it really turned out to be nice, and I hope this video comes out as beautiful as I think it will. Anyway, guys, howdy from Texas. God bless you. Y'all take care. And if I don't see you till then, happy Thanksgiving.